Well, hello there, pumpers. How's everybody doing today? It's been quite some time since I've been before you all on camera. Had to take some time off, had to do something, life happens or whatever, but I'm back. I was gonna say I'm back, bitches, but I don't want to offend nobody, so I'm back, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of different stuff. Usually I'll be cooking you a meal up in pumps. That may happen sometime soon, but right now we're just gonna be doing some other stuff. I have been asked to do a lot of different things, so I'm gonna make sure that I make everybody happy as best I can. Now you might hear my dog tip-tapping around, and I got the washer and dryer going, and life is happening around us. Okay. But today we're gonna get right into our video. We're gonna go ahead and I got a new little setup here, so I gotta learn to look at the camera lens versus looking at myself, But anyway, I'm gonna look at the camera so I can see you and look at you in your eyes. But we're gonna do something a little different today. I have a MUNCHPAK, a mini MUNCHPAK, because I want to try the shit first before I go ahead and go into get the big ones and all that. But I'm going to be unboxing this MUNCHPAK with you all on today to see what everything is like, what it tastes like, if it's nasty. I'm good for throwing shit up against walls. I did a Buffalo Wild Wings challenge, and I threw that shit up against the wall. So if you want to see that video, go check out my YouTube channel. You know what to do. Anyway, so I got the MUNCHPAK open. This is what it looks like on the inside. It kind of tells you who did it. I think it was Francis who did this one. Well, I don't think, I know it's Francis because it said the shit at the bottom. But it was Francis who did this one. It says, "This MUNCHPAK was made with love just for you, Francis." Well, thank you, Francis. And the first thing I see when I open it up is her. I love Cardi B. I love her. She's a sweetheart. I haven't met her in person yet, but she's just such a sweetheart. But I'm gonna save her for last and taste those last. But it looks like it's some all kind of stuff in here from Japan, from Israel, some more shit from Japan, something from Turkey. And of course, these chips are from the USA. It tells you where it's from, okay? But anyway, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna try these. This is called Canro Pure Mixed Berry Gummies, okay? Now, you're gonna see, this is what it look like. And this just, it shows that it's from, why can't I get that in focus? Okay, anyway, it's from Japan. Or whatever, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and see what this is about. My shirt saying memory when I care, because I don't really care. But anyway. Ooh. Okay. They look like them Sour Patch Peaches, but it's berry. Yeah. And they got a little bit of tart. So they're not sour, but they're good. I'll take these to work with on my desk. Oh, they're good. Let's see next. Them is real good. Okay. Now, anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and try these things. These called bonbons from Turkey. Oh, why the hell would they cover up the damn name? I can't show y'all. Okay, it's bonbon, but they put the tag on top of it, so, but it's from Turkey, or whatever. I used to get what they called these, what was it? It was like a sweet box. Candy of the month. I was a part of the Candy of the Month club. And, they were good. But then they started sending me the same shit over and over and over again. And I'm like, oh, okay. I wasn't even doing it with videos or nothing. I just was getting it because I like sweet shit. I would take it and put it on my desk and let everybody come over and try the Candy of the Month or whatever. It was like a whole bunch of different stuff. But then they started sending the same shit. And I'm like, okay, so I don't need this anymore. So, but these are bonbons. It says cola flavored hard candy. So they come in the little individually wrapped pieces like that. And we're gonna see how cola flavored this shit is. Okay, turkey. I can do these. I'm the person. I'm the one who eats the nasty root beer candies and stuff, and so I can do these. Mm-hmm. Pretty good. Okay, I gotta get rid of this shit. Okay. I can taste that acid. I mean, well, it ain't acidic, but you know when the Coke be hitting, when you chew it and you bite it, it be hitting. Okay, got that done. Israel. Now we eating something from Israel. Okay, this is called manamim, manamim, M-A-N-A-M-I-M, manamim hazelnut wafer. So it's kind of like them Nutter Butters, I guess, but it's with hazelnut. Now, I hate hazelnut. My mother loves hazelnut. She likes Ferrero Rocher. She likes, what's that shit? Nutella. My daughter eats Nutella. But we gonna give this a chance. So it looks like a little Nutter Butter or whatever. I gotta fix, my face is already turned up, but it kind of reminds you of them, you know, them wafers that grandmama we have, like the strawberry long pack, vanilla long pack, chocolate long pack. That's what it tastes like. This shit ain't nothing. It's good. It's good. Strawberry flavor, Glico Caplico no Atama. Heart-shaped strawberry chocolate with layer of milk chocolate. And this is from Japan. It's a pretty package or whatever. It's a pretty package, but I still don't know what the hell it is, but we gonna see. Oh, ain't that cute? Oh, it's I don't know what to think about the smell. I don't. They little individually little heart things, like the motherfucking shit said, and I didn't pay attention. It says heart-shaped strawberry chocolate with a layer of milk chocolate. Okay, so we gonna see. I like chocolate. Now I don't know about these, but yeah, see, it's like a little heart. So that's that. And then now we have our wrap snacks. Now, my partner, Wendell, he loves wrap snacks. He likes the honey, the Fetty Wap ones. My daughter's helping me in the background. Fetty Wap. He likes those. But I'm gonna try these Cardi B's cheddar barbecue. So we're gonna see what that's like. Cheddar barbecue. Clearly it's from the USA. Why my mouth watering for these? I don't know. But a plain chip. Bitch! These chips right here. And then, like, it's full of seasoning. Like, when you put it in your mouth, the seasoning just permeates. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I gotta order me some of these. These are good. I'm sorry. Baby. Cardi B, you and Rap Snacks can get it. Got it. Okay, so anyway, that's my mini munch pack. I'm gonna go ahead and order the next one to be a little bit bigger. I just wanted to try it first. I wasn't gonna go ahead and make no investment in some shit that I wasn't gonna be into or whatever. So now that I know that they be giving you some quality stuff aside from them nasty ass chocolate covered strawberry ass hearts or whatever that is, I will go ahead and make that investment so we can have a little bit more to taste. But this was a great way for me to acclimate myself to my new space and such. And I love you all. I thank you all for your support. We got a lot of things coming your way. Like I said, I used to be cooking up something for you, but we're gonna make sure that happens sometime soon. A lot of these munch packs and shit. A lot of different stuff. Sometimes I'm just gonna get on here and tell y'all how the hell I feel about certain stuff. Sometimes I'm gonna get on here and just wanna hear what y'all got to say based on what you put in the comments and repeating it to you all and giving you some, some pointers of advice or whatever. Next time, we're gonna have a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna look at the camera. I'm gonna make sure I look at the lens and not my face. I have an issue with looking at my face and not the lens. So I love you all and thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video. The information is at the bottom on other places where you can find me. And let's go, baby.